Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm popping on to share this planner that I picked up from the range. One of my goals this year is to plan, I want to plan more things obviously to do as a family, but also I want to budget things and just like spending and things like that, just have a clear more path of what's coming in, going out and all that kind of stuff. So keeping a record of it, I guess. Be aware of what we're spending or that sort of thing, and stuff to save or holidays and all that kind of stuff. So I picked this up from the range. It did say hooray for payday. It's a budget planner. I think it was about £3, I want to say, or around that sort of price. And I did ideally want to share it before I'd ordered it, but I kind of had a bit of time the other day and I started already. So this obviously wouldn't have been on here. This was just like a piece of card. Obviously I've covered the back and it just stated what's in the planner and on all that, who it's by and that sort of thing. But I thought normally I'd tear that off. But I thought, I could alter that because it's quite a nice thick card. So I've kind of altered it so I can stick things on there. I could even use some paper clips and paper clip that on there. And then on the front, I've actually made a couple of pockets. So I had this packaging from the kids' Easter eggs. Some of the front of the packaging was like this clear kind of thin acetate, and I've just kept that and I've made two pockets. So there's a pocket up here. If I grab something, you can kind of see. So this is a pocket here, and I've just stuck this label on there so I can do some journaling on there or make a note of things and that. And these, so my sweet friend Sue sent me this pocket letter, and as you can see I am using all the elements in there. So it came with a load of these orange cards, and I was going to keep those for Halloween because I thought they'd be quite nice, but then I was obviously doing this planner and I thought, I could use those in there. So then I've just put some stickers and pattern paper, and this is obviously because she put washi tapes on the bottoms and the tops. So I've just sort of decorated the front, and I've done some more which I'm going to include in there. So that's the one. So it's obviously different, as you can see on the back. I haven't decorated the back, so it's got the washi tape and the papers, and I've just decorated the front, and it makes it really sturdy. And I just like the washi tapes showing at the top and the bottom. I thought they were really pretty. And I will have them always in my planner, so I thought that was a really nice way of using those. I'm most probably going to decorate the front. I'm not over keen on that sentiment, so I'm most probably, she sent me this as well, so I might use this. I might put pattern papers on there and use some of these. I'm not sure. I might use some of those on there, or I'm going to decorate and use those on the inside. So they're the different ones. The stickers and stuff that I've used on all of these was from these packs, and I've had these for ages from the range. Again, like I said, trying to use up what I have, my stash. It's been quite fun actually, kind of coming up with ideas of like looking what I've got and then trying to utilize what I have. So I've used a few different elements from there. So that's those, and I'll quickly have a quick flick through and show you what you get in here. So you get some stickers already that come, try and get that all in, guys, that come in here that you can use throughout this planner. You've got these ones as well. So you've got things like payday, stay on track, paid, happy, did it, done, budget, savings, payday, yeah, treat day. So you can use those throughout. I then covered this was just like where you'd write your name and stuff, but I knew I wasn't going to do that, so I've just covered it with some patterned paper. Again, I can stick some of the stickers on there and stuff, or I could put a sentiment or something sort of encouragement to stick to your goals throughout the month. So the first section is got month review, actual spending, actual savings, where did I overspend this month, and how can I improve next time. So you've got that, and then on the back of that you've got the month, you've got earnings, savings target, so obviously what you want to save that month, and then you've got a spending breakdown, so all the things that you've spent or what you have going out that month, like rent or mortgage, travel. I guess you could put if you've planned a holiday that month, or if you travel by train to work and things like that, or bus or whatever, or even petrol, you could put that down there. Your food, entertainment, other, and then you've got obviously this side, and then at the bottom you put the total, and then yeah, so then it repeats itself throughout. So that's that section. The next section is on this side. Again, it's month. You got your bills, so you can break down all your bills this side, the amount of each of those bills, and then the date that they all come out. So you can kind of keep track of things that way. So that's that. The next section is it's broken down in each week. So each week you've got your expenses, the date, details, and category. I guess you could break it down into food. You could do what you spend on shopping, lunches if you're at work, if you eat out, takeaways. You can kind of break it down, I guess, and budget for that. I think that's it. And then it's just lined paper in the back, so you can just write notes or yeah, whatever you want. I just thought it's quite nice to keep track of spending and stuff. Yeah, and then I've made another, I don't know if I said that, pocket, and that's one of the stickers from that pad. And that's it, guys. Like I said, in the range they do have a lot of these for different occasions. I think they had like a travel one, they had a wedding one, new baby. I'm trying to think what else they had. Quite a few other different ones. So I just thought they're quite good. As always, guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will leave Sue's channel down below, so you can go and check out her YouTube channel and send us some love. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.